Today we are looking at a Brouwer Giant Whirlwind mixer. This is a vertical mixer. This is a model 1234V. This unit is in exceptional shape. Unit was used very little, and you can certainly see that just of the condition of the mixer speaks for itself. We brought this unit in, we washed it, greased it, and that is all that the mixer has needed. The flighting on this unit is in very good condition. We have the discharge spout here, or sacking spout. Have the inlet here that simply pivots out of the way for when you are sacking out of the unit, or it can be fed full time. Of course, the unit can also be fed from the top of the mixer just by cutting a hole. This unit is equipped with an Ajax 3-phase 208, 230, 460 volt motor. So this unit can easily be ran on 3-phase. However, this unit is also equipped with a 220 volt phase converter. I'm going to fire this unit up for you now as per the starting instructions here. You simply push this up, it will hum, and then you push the start button for just a couple of seconds, and then the unit will be running. So we are running a 3-phase motor on our 220 volt single phase power. Hear it hum. That is a very, very nice system. See, the unit is running the proper direction. The unit just hums right along with no irregular noises. This unit is in just exceptional shape, ready to run condition. Not too much to say about this unit. It's very handy that it can be ran on 220 volt single phase and 208, 230, 460 volt 3-phase by bypassing our phase converter here. Unit is in exceptional shape. Sacking spout works as it should. Glass is intact. We also took the liberty of adding this heavy-duty lift point so that you can hoist the unit into position with no issues, so that the unit does not get damaged. Just a very, very nice Brouwer Giant Whirlwind mixer. I would say the capacity on this unit is 1,200 pounds. If your product is more dense, you will get more in it, of course, but I would say this unit's rated for about 1,200 pounds at 30 pounds per cubic foot. Just a very, very nice mixer in ready-to-run condition. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. We have the world's largest inventory of good used seed and grain processing machinery. Thank you so much for watching.